Okay, so last night we slept here. We are currently in Wales, in the Brecon Beacons, is that how you say it?
Yeah, Black Mountains.
Brecon Beacons, Black Mountains. And today we are going to be chasing waterfalls. Let's go find some waterfalls. I'm just a professional hiker. We're all kitted out, ready to go.
Yeah, you don't want that front one. Let's go chasing waterfalls!
Nutter. Spot the tourists, maybe? This is luminous orange just in case we get lost and it's finds me.
Do you want to go up the hill or do you want to...
No, go the easy way. Getting close. Okay, so this is going to be waterfall number 1. You get in first? Yeah. Spiky. I just chuck you that while I get down.
Oh, fucking freezing! Jesus Christ! Ow! Oh my god, it's really deep! Yeah! I don't want to step in, I can't even step down. Well then I'm going to let you go first.
Oh, thank you. What if we can't stand up? I'm scared now.
You're going to have to swim to it. I don't know what water you're swimming.
Oh, you go first.
No, I can't. You go.
I'm ready to fucking win.
Come on.
No!
I know. I know. It's really deep. Drops down, doesn't it? Like if a rock slips and you just go flying down and it's like...
It doesn't help that I watched this video the other day about most dangerous places to swim that look nice and easy, but...
And then they suck you under.
Yeah.
Waterfall number 1. Beautiful.
Yeah! Look at it!
That's it.
Yeah, we're not hardcore. We're proper wimps.
You're not going to do it, really? You're going to do it, aren't you?
I'm just so scared. There's literally nothing.
I know.
It's literally fucking nothing.
I know, it's so deep. Just step off into a black hole.
Can't do it.
Don't fall down that black hole.
I nearly did.
We'll be goners. Nobody even knows where we are.
Yeah. No.
Me and George have watched some scary videos, and the black hole down there we think is going to suck us under.
So we're not going in.
Yeah, we're not going in. This is as far as we get.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause precious time, chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you...
Well, that was just a semi-successful waterfall number 1. Kind of. This is well deep, well scary. We are actually wimps.
Yeah. The big black hole was far too scary.
Yeah. It was like you're just going into like nothing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, on to the next one.
It's going to be annoying as hell to get down.
Waterfall number 2. Just now we got to work out how to get down. What do you reckon? Run and jump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go first.
Run and jump. There we go. There's my drone shot. The lengths we go to get to these waterfalls. Not a bad view though, is it? Waterfall number 2. That one looks nice and easy, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to sit at the bottom.
That's lost. Waterfall number 2 was much better and much more fun than waterfall number 1. Waterfall number 3, absolute mission to get to, but we made it. Does it? Number 3, let's go to the next. Waterfall number 4, little baby one.
Oh, look how cute it is.
On to the next. Waterfall number 5 leads to waterfall number 6, leads to waterfall number 7, and we've probably got a number 8 down there as well. I wish I could film the walks, but if I had a camera in my hand we would be dead right now. They're so hard to get to. Just on the side of a cliff edge here. Then to waterfall number 6. This waterfall hunting is hungry work. I'm quite hungry now.
It is, I'm starving. I don't know why I didn't bring any snacks at all.
Might have to be nice and share my protein bar with her.
Thanks. I brought dog food and dog treats, just no human food.
No human food. Waterfall number 7. We're going to have a quick snack. Quick dip, and then on to waterfall number 8. Oh, it's cold! Waterfall number 7 is a little bit colder than the rest. Oh my god, there's a big hole! These holes are scaring me. Are you coming in or not?
Me coming in.
Okay. I'm dipping a toe in.
7, please.
You're getting a bit cold now.
Yeah, I'm freezing.
It's getting a little bit chilly. Don't know how many more we've got to go. We've got a massive climb to do now though. So the side effects of being professional water hunters is prune feet.
Ew, lovely. Sexy. Everything about your soul.
For all those foot fetish people out there we go.
Ooh, like a prune foot.
So that's waterfall, what was that? 7?
Yeah.
7. We're having a little break because the dogs are tired. And then we continue on to waterfall 8. Right, this is waterfall 7. We haven't made it, so we haven't actually moved yet to go to waterfall 8. What we're going to do is head back to the van, make some lunch, and then head to the next destination. Tired doggies and hungry people.
Hungry.
So one of Shah's many skills is speaking sheep.
He said that's the way.
Okay, that's the way.
Okay. I told him thanks.
Oh. Made it. Back to the van. Time to eat, then drive to the next place. So dinner got demolished, and now might actually have an afternoon nap before we go and do some more waterfalls. Well, I say we. I'm gonna have an afternoon nap in the shade, and someone else is afternoon napping in the sun.
Sunday time.
So hopefully, if we don't fall asleep and wake up too late, there'll be more waterfalls. Max, are you still in my space?
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed from a window in the mighty clouds up high. I can touch a stream of gold